Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, absolutely. I opened this yesterday, charged it, didn't take long to charge, and as luck would have it, I actually have a dead battery in my Suburban, so what better time to go test this and go ahead and make sure this thing works. Sounds like it might. Hear that? See that? Yep, it's dead. Dead as a doorknob. Okay, to hook it up's really easy. You just go black to negative, red to positive, and then over here, just power it on, press the button. All right, now's the time for the moment of truth. Oh, absolutely. Fantastic. All right, thank you, NOCO Boost. Okay, that couldn't have been any easier. It worked as I expected it to. Charge it up, hook up the battery terminals, hit the power button, and crank your car. I'm letting mine run. You can hear it run. I got to charge that battery, find out what made it discharge in the first place. Might need a new battery. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the NOCO Boost Plus, the lithium jump starter, super safe. I've gone ahead and taken everything out of the box. I wanted to show you. You get some paperwork, you get your battery jumper clips, you get your power cords, cigarette lighter adapter, and they give you a little carrying case. On this end of the charger, you can see what the plug looks like, and on the battery cable, you've got that in, so just slide it in, and now you are ready to jump start your vehicle. Also take note that you charge it right here on this USB port, and they give you a USB out so you can charge other devices like your smartphone. They also give you a light feature on the NOCO Boost. Just press it, turn it on, and you can keep pressing for different modes of this light. So you're not gonna have to worry about doing all this in the dark. Well, I can definitely recommend it. I just took it out of the box and it's already proved its value to me. So, hey, if you're looking at this, I don't think you can go wrong. I hope you found the video helpful.